Representation of an algorithm. Algorithm can be represented in two ways. Representation of algorithm. Flowchart. Start, input, process, end. Pseudocode. Begin, input driver's video. Closed eye count 0. For every 10th frame in the video, do localize eyes. Check status of eyes. If eyes are closed, then closed eye count is equal to closed eye count plus 1. Else, if eyes are open, then closed eye count is equal to 0. And if closed eye count is equal to 3, then generate alarm. Closed eye count is equal to 0. And if and for end.